What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And today I'm gonna go over my numbers for today, July 1st. It's been a good day. I got 7 days, the way to start off the month. Um, I just posted my previous month's numbers, so you guys can go check that out if you haven't already. Um, I made 67 last month, and I beat my month before that's numbers, so that's good. We're just growing. Um, so yeah, so far today I sold 7 things, which is cool. Look out at this. So this one right here, that I sold 5 of, is my number one seller. That I made a video on telling everybody and just revealing that to you guys. This is that, and it sold 5 times this month. 5 times today, which is great. I sold a hoodie. All of my hoodies are $34.99 and up, so between $35 and $40. Um, they do sell, so don't be scared to press up your prices. Um, and this one right here, this is actually a new shirt that I actually posted in the last 3 or 4 days. Um, Found a good niche to enter. Thought it was right to exploit it, and I got a sale out of it. So I'm probably end up making some more designs for it today, and just keep pressing the niche, and see if I can get some more sales out of it. So yeah, so that's today's numbers. Before we get out of here, I want to talk about a little bit about the new rules, the new automation thing that merch is doing, and I'm like super fucking happy about it. I think it's really great, and I see that they're trying harder and harder to sell more things on their platforms, which is great for us, and we're set up in the right position. So don't do anything to jeopardize your merch account. It's only the beginning. Um, and I feel like the best way to exploit and to take advantage of the new automation is to only to continue to make designs. Don't keep putting them on um, different items and stuff. Just fill up designs on the standard, because they're gonna put them on different designs themselves. Put them on different products themselves. So just keep making designs, and just keep making sure that you're ready to tear up and you got your 80%, and they're going to continue to, put them on other things. You just keep focusing on creating designs. Of course, if there's a day where you don't have time to make designs, just add some new products, whatever, that's fine. But if you can, just crank out as many designs as you can. It's going to be beneficial, because you'll have um, your uploads for daily, and then Amazon's going to be putting them on products in different marketplaces. So just use that to your advantage. Buy a subscription, like from Vexels or something. I have that link in the description if you want to check that out, so you can just load up on designs and get ready to crank shit out. Q4 is approaching, so if any time was good to invest into something like that, the time is definitely now. So, but yep, that's all I got for this video for you guys. Make sure you guys hit that sub button. Uh, Kill that like button. Hit me with some comments. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see, and I'll make sure I got something for you guys. I've been slacking for you, so I'll make sure I uploaded 2 today, and I'll probably got you guys with something tomorrow. But just stay tuned. Till next time.